In this video, I will be showing you how you can create your artist, how you can add a new artist to the website. So it's very simple. On the above header, you can see that there is an option that we can add a new artist. Click on the artist and now we can add a new artist. So let's try to add the artist. Enter the title here. In this space we can add the artist name, for example Shashank Fatkure. So this is our artist. Okay, so in this field we can add some bio. For example, Shashank is a web developer as well as music artist from India. He is an Udemy trainer and has many websites created in past. Okay, so this is our bio. We can make it bold, can make it italic, we can add photos also. Let me add some photos for you. The media library, let's add this. Okay, let's try to make it small. Okay, and that's it. Let's make it in the middle. Let's remove this and let's make this bigger, more bigger. Okay, that's it. So now we have to pick the genre. Let's add a new genre like okay, let's like pop. You can add multiple genres too. Okay, I have selected 3 genres and now let's add featured image. The featured image is an artist image that people will be seeing from the artist archive where multiple artists are showcased. So let me use this as my featured image. Now for the contact form receipt, I'm adding this. Let me use my logo. Now agency, yeah, let me this, public email, nationality, YouTube video. Let me add a YouTube video, youtube.com/c channel. And let me try to pick a video. So yeah, this is my video. Let me go back, add this video. I can add my website to Facebook, SoundCloud, and others. Okay, so let me skip it. Now that's done. Okay, so I can also add a background image. For example, this can be a background image. Okay, and let's save it. Now that we have done, let me see how the artist looks. Okay, now you can see this is my genre, this is the background, this is my logo, the featured image, social profiles, booking, availability, bio, social media networks, and some of the related artists. Thank you.